All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's see what's going on around the shop. All right, Eric has this Tahoe. It's got a discharge line leaking on the AC. Pretty easy. He's got a turbo to do on a Kia, Hyundai, one of those two. He also has, this is not approved, but he's got a plugs and coils, nothing really interesting. That pile of parts is for a Honda Element, front and rear struts. Before you say it, yes, they're pro struts. We've had less problems with them than KYB, so we've been using them. Trans service, getting a starter as well. This Sport Track, pinion seal was leaking, got front brakes, rotors, valve covers were replaced for leaking, lower oil pan was replaced for leaking, and I'm waiting on a DPFE sensor because it broke, and replaced the valve covers because, plastic, and the PCV valve is a little clogged, so I went ahead and ordered one of those. So finish this up in the morning. This is Craig's car. He had to do a subframe shift on it to get it aligned after he did the fuel tank. So waiting for them to pick it up. Paul knocked out like 17 hours today. Who's a mammin' and jammin'. Unfortunately, this is his car. It was parked on the street and a U-Haul was hauling, Heine, and hit a car that was coming out of the liquor store, and her car's totaled, his car's probably totaled. Fun stuff. Billy's got this Camry. They hit a pothole and bent some stuff, and the right front tire is on cords on the outside edge, so it's going to get some front end work, hopefully. All right, this Infinity is pending approval for Billy. Front wheel bearing, rear brakes, and cam and crank sensors. Came in initially with a stalling complaint. All right, upstairs James is doing an engine on this one. It's got a knock. I actually had to deal with it on the adjuster. Pretty bad knock, so it's getting a new one of those, or used one of those. Speaking of that, he just got done putting that Chrysler 3.6 in a Jeep, and it's so much fun, he's going to get to do it again. This engine had zero compression on cylinder 1, I believe, and 3 and 5 were spitting coolant out. So it got an engine. The problem is the new engine has a misfire at idle, and yeah. So getting engine number 2. Gotta love used parts. Well, Craig's bay is empty because, he kind of got, a little screwed on today. Only him and Eric were available to take cars, so pretty much they got everything, and luck of the draw, he just got some weird stuff. A Jeep that won't key on at all, a couple other weird ones. So he had a lot of fun today. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.